Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. If you're looking to transfer your XRP tokens from Coinbase to Kraken in 2025, you're in the right place. With crypto platforms evolving, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring it's smooth, secure, and hassle-free. Whether you're building your portfolio or just exploring exchanges, sending XRP is a key skill to master. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have accounts on both Coinbase and Kraken. Double-check that you have XRP in your Coinbase wallet and that you've verified your Kraken wallet address. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so accuracy is crucial. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and locate your XRP holdings. Click on XRP to open the asset details. Step 2. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. This is usually right there on the asset page. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. That's where Kraken comes in. Copy your Kraken XRP wallet address from the Kraken app or website. Pro tip: always use the exact address to avoid any mix-ups. Step 3. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, these might be influenced by blockchain updates, so check the estimated fees before proceeding. Then, review all the details like the recipient address and amount to make sure everything looks good. Step 4. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. Once sent, the XRP will travel on the XRP Ledger network, which is super fast, but give it a few minutes to a couple of hours to appear in your Kraken wallet. Finally, once it's done, log into Kraken and check your balance to confirm the transfer. If you run into any issues, both platforms have support resources. Don't hesitate to reach out. There you have it. Sending XRP from Coinbase to Kraken doesn't have to be complicated. Remember, always stay safe in the crypto world by using hardware wallets and keeping an eye on market changes. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.